Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach advanced part of FD calculation part, banking FD calculation part using Java. So the based on the condition will be the minimum you can uh, deposit 1 lakh. Okay, below 1 lakh you can't deposit. Okay, so if your FD deposit if you deposit for 3 months, they include 6.25 interest rate. If your if you if the month 6 month, if your deposit has 6 months, they include 7.75 percentage. 1 year 9 percentage. Based on the condition, we have to do the program. So let's go open the NetBeans, go to the file, new project, select Java with and click next. If it is check green class, you have to uncheck it. Right, this one should be interest FD rate project. Hit finish button. Okay, your project has FD rate project has been created. FD rate project. Select the go to the select package, default package, right click new, give frame from your create FD rate. Finish it. Now you open up the desktop application window. Now what you're going to do is here, I'm going to implement the first I'm going to drag one label. This label I'm going to name it as FD rate, FD amount calculation. FD amount calculation. Edit text, banking system. Right click, properties. Increase the font property a little bit bigger, bold. The 24 characters length. Is it okay? Perfect. Now here I need one panel to drag one panel over here. Here, this panel I'm going to right click properties. You have to border, you have to set as a bevel border. Okay, here we have to drag another label. You have to provide the conditions 3 months. Here we have this one 3 months 6.5. I just copied, edit text, paste on it, paste wrong text and paste it. Copy, properties 14 with bold, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. This one should be edit text. Second one, copy this, paste it here. This one should be 9. This is the percentage calculation. Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to do the thing is here we have to simply drag the one label. This label I'm going to name it as FD amount. Right click properties, 18 with bold. Hit OK. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm drag one text field, right click properties, bold 18 characters. Select this one, edit text to backspace to remove the text. Again select this one, change variable txt ft amount. After that, we have the calculation. We have to write here interest rate. Here the interest rates, how much you are getting from the interest rate. Interest rate, interest amount, right? Interest amount, total amount. After add the interest rate, what is the amount? Total. The front end. First you have to design the front end success very efficient way. So select this one, properties, total here shows as a big. Okay, this one's control C, copy, control V, paste here, get and the copy. Here you change the foreground color as you have to this color. This also same thing, control C to control V to paste here the same color. Here to change the text, this one as a the name, change variable T LBL, this is a label, INT rate. This one change variable txt total. That's it. We gave the name also successfully. All things are done. Now we need one button. This name it as calculation. Calculate. Right click properties. Increase the size little bit. We are 14. That's it. Now here I am going to this one double click it. Now here first what I am going to do is first you have to declaring the variables. What are the variables we have to declare? Okay, first you have to declaring the variable first. Okay, the first you have to include the data type. That is a must. First you have to include the data type, which is a double. We have to using the double data type. So double FD rate, comma interest rate, comma month. Okay, after that total amount. These are the variable you have to create it. Now here this is the OK button, calculate button. Okay, so here we have to given the FT rate. So the FT rate variable you have to call it over here. So here we have to write it this one. We have to FT rate. I'm going to 1.5 million. I'm going to dissolve it. Month I'm going to give here as 3 month. This interest rate. So right here declare as 0. These all things I'm going to put it above. So you put it here. Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to interest rate. After that we have a balance also. Total amount also you have to write 0. You have to all the variable you are declared. Okay, all the variables are declared. Fine. Now here what I'm going to first, I'm going to check if FD rate greater than equal 3 means third 3 months calculation. First one, you have to include the condition first is FD rate less than 1 lakh. You write it over here. Okay, option pan dot show message. You have to do this. You have to write the condition. FT rate not below 1 lakh. Otherwise, go to the else part. Write it over here. If month equal 3, if it's a 3-month deposit, the month is equal 3. Okay, so if you write else, you can do it. If you want to use switch f also, you can do it. Okay, so the interest rate, you get the interest rate equal what's the FT rate you are given, sorry, given into 6.25 here, here 12 month into 3. Okay, so if it is else, copy and paste over here. Else if it is 6 month, it will be 6 with 8. Else interest rate is a 10 point. Okay, it's a 10 point. It's a 1 year calculation, we no need them. Okay, 1 year we no need them. Okay, what's there? Sorry, we no need them 1 year. Okay, so if it is a 12 months, okay, we divide by 12. Okay, this is the interest rate you are given. Divide by 100. It's 1 year. We have a 12 months. After that, we have divide by 3. So divide by 12 for 1 year. After that, get the one month for interest rate. It will be into 3. You can give the 3 months. 6 months also, it's a 1 year. You have divided by 1 year. We have calculated the 1 year interest rate. Likewise, after that 1 year calculated and divide by 1 month here. So divide by 12 mean 1 month here into 6 month has been calculated. This is for 1 year calculation. After that, we have to print out these all things over here. I'm going to print out. So how to print out? So we have to get the one here, this label, you have to get them here, this label, this name, this label, dot set text, that here interest rate, you write string dot value of, passing this one. After that, you have to total, this is total equal FT rate plus interest rate. You have to add the interest rate. After that, you have to write this one label, total amount variable, just copy it, this total, paste on it here, dot set text, got to call it here, this one, this total amount. So how to call it here, this also though we have to convert as a string type, because it's all things, it is calculated and display the string dot value of this total. That's it. Now let's run and check it. Before that, we have to do something. It will be display, but the problem is it's not a not good look. Click on this, right click properties, code generator center, and go to source, control F to get the find. Here your UI, here you have to default come as this one, you have to change it as metal. Now let's run and check. Here it's coming actual look and feel of the application. Now you have to add the FD rate 15 lakhs, sorry, 1.5 lakh. Click it. Here it will be calculated successfully here. Okay, so 3 months. So here the problem is here we haven't had the month. The problem, so month it will take as defaultly 3. Okay, I have given. So instead of that we have to add the month over here. The same thing, just copy it, paste it below. Sorry, copy and paste it below. This also copy and paste it below. This one should be the month. This one should be month. Txt month. So you have write it here. This month put it over here. Here equal integer dot, sorry, all are double. So your double, so this one should be the double. So you have to write as a double dot pass double. You have to write it txt month dot get text. It will store this variable month variable. Now you can see here which month you have given, only the 3 6. If you want we can put the combo box as well. It's simple. You have February rate, you have to given as this rate. Click on this, it's calculated. If it is 6 month, it is calculated. If it is 1 year, it is calculated the 1 year. Okay, if it is 12, it will be calculated there. Okay, it's successfully if you are done. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.